He's all set up. He's got his tent with his little sleeping mat inside. He's got his Legos for making some pow-pows to protect it. And there's his nightlight. He thinks that's the coolest thing ever. What are you doing in there, little boy? Say hi. Where are you going? Really? Hi, handsome. You got your Legos in there? You're being awfully quiet. Are you hiding from Mom? Boo. What you doing in there? Just playing? Yep. You having fun in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's a pretty cool fort, huh? Oh, there's a secret door. Dad had it all closed up for you, so no one else could get in. Tell Nana and Papa, thank you for my Christmas presents. Say, I'm having so much fun keeping all my stuff hidden away. Lucas. He's been in here all morning, so quiet. I have to come and check on him, make sure he's not getting into something he's not supposed to. But he's not. He's just playing in his fort, nice and quiet. That might be a really great gift for Mom instead of the greatest gift for Lucas. Okay, tell him bye. Since all I see is, I think, a leg or a foot or something. Oh, there's a foot. Lucas, tell Nana and Papa, thank you. Say, I love you. Am I interrupting you? He's too busy. Little Miss Thing is in the living room. She's hollering. She's telling you thank you, and she loves you. I've got one quiet one and one loud one. How did that happen? Say Merry Christmas the day after. We're enjoying all of our presents. Thank you very much, and we love you. Lucas, blow a kiss to the camera. Good job.